Good afternoon, guys. I'm going to tell you about a couple of things that we tried today, things that we've been wanting to try. And the first one is I'm going to show you what Kaylee's been up to. Kaylee read somewhere about making wild violet lemonade out of little purple wild violets you can find growing in your yard. And she got about a quart jar, maybe a little bit further up, filled with them. And then she added some boiling water and covered them, and they are sitting down there just steeping in water, and you can already see it's turning a very pretty shade of light blue. And from there she'll figure out the rest of the recipe and make wild violet lemonade that we'll all try to drink. The next thing is I have decided I'm going to make some dandelion salve. Supposedly it's good for sore muscles, arthritis, but the reason I'm making it is for dry hands. When I get out and play in the dirt and garden and do things outside and wash a lot, put my hands in water a lot, my hands get very dry. So this is supposed to be good for dry hands. So Kat and I went out and we picked a bunch of dandelion heads, about 2-quart jars full, and you are supposed to let them dry for about 2 days. And after they air dry, then we're going to use what's that oil called, Kaylee? Coconut oil. Yes, coconut oil that comes in a solid form and you have to melt it. So we're going to use that method, a hot oil infusion, to make it quickly. There's a long method that takes 4 to 6 weeks. I'm going to do the quick method and see what happens. And you mix the oil once you strain it with some beeswax, which we have our own beeswax from the bees that we no longer have because they died out. But I'm going to use that beeswax to make the dandelion salve. And it sets up pretty quickly because of that. And we'll see how that turns out. We'll keep you updated on our 2 little projects for the day. And I hope you are finding something fun to do, something interesting to do with this time that you have. Hope you enjoy it. Talk to you later.